This is your feed and stock report for Wednesday, March 11th. Information provided on this report is supplied by various auction marts throughout Alberta. In reference to the following prices, producers are reminded to check with individual markets on current prices and trends. Prices quoted include top quality cattle only. Based on a couple sales in central and northern Alberta on Tuesday, steers 900 plus 466 to 479, 8 to 900 499 to 522, 7 to 800 517 to 575, 6 to 700 593 to 668, 5 to 600 681 to 730, 4 to 500 782 to 822. Heifers 900 plus 418 to 420, 8 to 900 452 to 479, 7 to 800 495 to 511, 6 to 700 529 to 574, 5 to 600 607 to 676, 4 to 500 665 to 701, 3 to 400 705 to 765. Yesterday in northern Alberta, open replacement quality heifers traded from $4,100 per head to $5,000 per head. This is a premium over the feeder market price. Alberta Direct Cattle Sales Tuesday saw no new trade to report, but there's a good chance cattle trade will develop by this afternoon. There have been reports packers are pulling hard on March contract cattle. Western Canadian steer carcass weights have drifted lower over the past month. Despite the pullback, carcass weights are still well above last year and above the 5-year average. Looking at the feed grain market, barley prices have ticked higher over the past week or so, gaining $10 per ton. Barley prices are now trading at the highest point this year. In the cow trade in central Alberta Tuesday, D1 and 2 cows 225 to 248, D3 cows 210 to 220. Bulls in central Alberta yesterday brought 252 to 260. In the U.S., light trade was reported in the northern states yesterday, with dress sales at $372, $8 lower than last week. Today, buying interest is picking up. Live bids at $235 have been reported in all feeding regions, and some cattle are trading. Bids and sales are $5 lower than last week. From a seasonal perspective, this is traditionally a tougher period for the beef complex and beef demand. For Catholics, Lent is being observed, where meat is traditionally not consumed on Fridays. In addition, Easter is also upcoming, where retailers and the food service sector tend to put a larger focus on hams and turkeys, and also include these two proteins for meal packages. National Bonnet cows averaged 318.87 dressed. The nearby Canadian dollar at 8:30 this morning was trading at 73.65, down 2 basis points. On the Chicago Mercantile Exchange and mid-session trade, live cattle futures are as follows: April 231.25, down 112. June 229.05, down 115. August 227.25, down 110. This is Dallas Rodger with Canfax reporting for the Alberta beef producers.